This is Keith and Edna Clark, and they make the best woodworking clamps you have probably never heard of. If you followed this channel for long, you know I like to support small businesses, especially when they're family run. It's just in my DNA as someone who grew up in my grandparents' little hardware store. There's where I learned about tools, about woodworking, and about the importance of small family businesses. That brings me back to Keith and Edna. They are not sponsors. They're just a great story that needs telling. Back in 1974, Keith started making clamps in his garage, and eventually he opened a small manufacturing facility on the site of an old furniture and coffin factory in his hometown of Dubuque, Iowa. And there, he and his wife, along with 3 regular employees and occasional seasonal help, have been making these clamps for over 50 years. I said they're the best clamps you've never heard of, but maybe you have heard of them. A lot of professional cabinet shops have sworn by Dubuque clamps for generations, but most of you only think you know these clamps, when in reality, what you know are these clamps, or another of the many knockoffs that are out there. They say imitation is the most sincere form of flattery, and frankly, I don't know who originally invented this type of aluminum bar clamp, but there's a reason Keith and Edna's clamps are still the best, despite all the efforts to copy their success over the years. They call this a universal clamp, but it was designed as an alternative to the ubiquitous pipe clamp. When I started woodworking in my grandpa's shop in the 80s, this was all we had. They were tough, but they were heavy. And the black pipe reacted to wet glue, and it would leave stains on the wood that would make you curse your pipe clamps. I would have loved a few Dubuque clamps back then. They're made from extruded aluminum, so they are almost feather light. Yet they clamp with surprising force, certainly enough for woodworking joinery. Of course, pipe clamps are not nearly as common these days. Many garage workshops are far more likely to have some of these F-style clamps or these quick grip clamps. They aren't nearly as powerful, but they absolutely can get the job done. However, these types of clamps lack one of the best features of the Dubuque clamps: the ability to lay them on a benchtop and have them remain upright as you place your project parts on them. If you've ever glued up a panel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a simple idea, but it makes a huge difference. But that's what parallel clamps are for, right? I mean, these lay nicely on the bench and they clamp down with plenty of power. I've invested heavily in parallel clamps over the years, but I wish I'd gotten Dubuque clamps instead, for 3 reasons. First, parallel clamps are ridiculously expensive. Plus, they're almost as heavy as pipe clamps. And finally, they also suffer from one really annoying flaw. When the glue hardens on the bars, it jams up the clamps. On the other hand, I can carry an armload of these across the shop with no problem, and I've never had glue stick and jam up a Dubuque clamp. So, that's a good argument in favor of this style of aluminum clamp. But why do I like this particular brand instead of one of the many knockoffs out there? Is it just because Keith and Edna make them in a small Iowa coffin factory? No, it's because the quality is outstanding. Let's compare. Both these clamps are in new condition, so this is an apples to apples comparison. But look at the difference in the quality of workmanship. Look at the castings, the machining, especially on the most crucial parts like the latches and the screws. Unfortunately, this is typical of a lot of products these days, while this is typical of how tools were made half a century ago, and in this case, nothing has changed. Look at the notches. On the knockoff, they appear to be just stamped. They aren't even consistently positioned down the length of the bar. On the Dubuque clamp, they appear to be machined, and not only are they consistent, they're larger and deeper, which allows for a more robust latch. These knockoffs can pop under pressure. The Dubuque clamp doesn't. The Dubuque's notches are also much closer together, making it faster and easier to adjust the foot before tightening the head with fewer turns of the screw. Everything about it is just buttery smooth. And if you know any cabinet shops that use Dubuque, you know that they stay smooth because that's just how Ken and Edna have made them since before I was even born. I'm not saying throw out all of your clamps and get just these, though I have tossed most of my pipe clamps. But I'm saying you need to at least try a couple Dubuque clamps while you still can get them. They're the perfect clamp for so many furniture and cabinet making tasks. They're lightweight, They're easy to use, they're smooth to operate. There's a reason everyone I know that's tried them ends up buying more. And while I have no idea what the future holds for Dubuque clamps, it is largely a 5-person operation in Iowa and 2 of them are in their 70s. I'm just saying, let's support good businesses while we still can. As I said, this video was not sponsored by Dubuque, but I get mine from Taylor Tools, who is a partner. Mike Taylor also runs a small business not too far away from Dubuque. He's in Missouri. He knows the Clarks personally. They're cut from the same cloth, folks who have spent a lifetime supporting their communities. So you're supporting 2 worthy businesses at once if you use the link below this video. I'll pin it to the top of the comment section so you can find it. See you next time.